Viewers, today latest update from Ethiopia and Tigray clashes. Viewers, Getachew said that Tigray Army Military Command calls on members of the disintegrating forces of Abiy regime in Volo, Afar and Gondar to hand themselves, or lest they should perish with a dying regime. It also calls on the residents of Dessi and Kambolcha to remain indoors. Our forces are trying to avoid street fighting in the two densely populated cities where there are indications. They still want to use mosques and churches as staging grounds for taken resistance against our forces. By Abiy earned boys, the rest as they say is history. Because today video of Desi town is like this. It used to be a very busy city and now it is beautiful. The civilians are complaining they locked their houses down in the area of the city and can't move around. And viewers, the Amhara special forces are capturing members of the Ethiopian army after they refused to go to confront the Tigrayan forces. Skilled forces and militia want the Ethiopian army, which is made up of the tribes of southern Ethiopia, and the Oromo militia to be in front of the cannon while they are in the last rows to protect their lives. And viewers, the latest news about the situation in western Ethiopia. The news that we are receiving from western Ethiopia has been bombed by force around Mekelle town and the land of Tigray. The Ethiopian army Abiy Ahmed has been ordered by the bombers until today. The Ethiopian army is saying that they are going to have direction about the sitting and the TPLF supporters. The Tigray people and their property have been done to the Tigray people. The Amhara media is reporting that the Tigray Defense Force troops were beaten by missiles in Dessi city in Volo region and the losses are not known seriously. The conflict between Amhara and Oromos is getting stronger after the Amharas suspended that every Oromos have ties with the Oromos. That is why they became a cooperation with Tigray Defense Force. The side of the government that is tired of Abiy. The parliament that has been named after the government of Abiy has been called for a meeting in the east. This is where the Prime Minister will be asked questions about the situation of the country and the ongoing wars. The opposition parties of Amhara have put full accusation on the government of Abiy and asked for a meeting in the state of the country. But it is not sure whether the eyes of the civilians are going to be busy or not. The result of that conference will be held. At the end of the day, Ethiopia will not be armed. Let's increase the negotiation and train new troops. Viewers, I already informed you that the information that is coming out of all front is shocking. It has been decided that Oromo-born military leaders and soldiers should hand over their weapons under the cover of saying they are traitors and some of them are killed. Action is being taken on the Jimjima. They are the Oromo people in Dessi city where Abiy Ahmed was found. We have come to know that their weapons are being handed over to a band of bandits called Fanu. It is being widely reported that there is a coup on the front. So far, we have known that 4 generals have been killed. It has been said that other ordinary Oromo born soldiers were being killed with a plate saying, "We found them," when they are fleeing and their weapons are being attacked by Amhara born enemy. On the other hand, Tigray forces capture more Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers. According to many sources, Tigray Defense Forces have made significant advances in a week of renewed fighting, taking control of Kutabi, Baromida, Briti, Doyo, Waima, Tilyajan, and Trio. You know that. And Getachew thus had said that they have captured many more Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers. And now you can watch this video.
Woo! Ate kadloho. Why? Atan Dios as gamer. Woo! Isti. Ayohum. What do you call it? What do you? Why? Ata tainan go rata utosti. Bidin go come so. Why. أنا أكيد حلفني أزياك قرصني إني نه. ووو أتاتعنا نقرأ. عايزاتشو شيء. عايزاتشو. أتقدر منه. أي تسكلوا زين. وا أتاتعنا زيهم. أتسكمرم. أرى أنا أشتغل أمني يا أخ. نحن أتوني بدنا نجيرك. وي قالني عايزة شيء إن عايزة شيء. لفتي أتاتون تقابل. واي. سنترني هنا.